Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 12 best benefits of oatmeal for skin and for health. So sit back, relax, let's dive into the video.
And it goes a little something like
If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to show some love to this video by liking, leaving a nice comment, and please do not forget to subscribe, okay? And to all my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I truly appreciate. Protects the skin. The protein in oatmeal maintain the skin's natural barrier. They even protect your skin from harsh pollutants and chemicals. Acts as a natural cleanser. Oats contain compounds called saponins that act as a natural cleanser and remove the dirt and oil from the pores. And by the way, they don't cause irritation. Lighten the skin. The fact that oats are being used in products like body scrub, soaps, and exfoliating creams tell us how beneficial they can be. Moisturize the skin. Oats can remove the dead skin cells and acts as a natural moisturizer, and the beta-glucan they contain forms a fine film on your skin. It also penetrates deep into the skin and offers the much needed moisture. Treat dry and itching skin. Oatmeal powder or oat flour can work wonders on your skin. You can simply blend oats into a powder and then mix with some white or brown sugar and any oil of your choice to form a paste. Then apply it on your skin and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you rinse off with warm water. Aid in acne treatment. Oatmeal scrub can work well in treating acne. The scrub removes dead skin cells and polishes your skin. It also reduces spots and softens your skin. Oatmeal is a fantastic fiber source. Eating a bowl of oats can get the required amount of fiber you need. Consuming a diet rich in whole grains and other foods high in fiber may help reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, colon cancer, etc. May improve digestion. Oat fiber is beneficial for your general health, but is especially crucial for a healthy digestive tract. Oats contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, both of which contribute to the maintenance of regularity. May help boost your energy and immunity. B vitamins and minerals like iron, manganese, magnesium, and zinc are what you are giving your body when you eat a bowl of oats first thing in the morning. 1 cup of cooked oats is around 2 mg of iron, which is equivalent to about 11% of your daily value. May lower blood sugar levels. Oats are rich in beta-choline, a potent soluble fiber that helps to keep the glycemic index low when consumed regularly. The high fiber content of oats improves insulin sensitivity and reduces postprandial glucose level. Reduces risk of cancer. Oats are rich in lignin that fight off cancer-related hormonal disturbances like ovarian cyst, breast and prostate cancer. In conjugation with vitamin C and the abundant antioxidants present, oats help to combat free radicals that cause cancer. Improves the quality of sleep. Eating oats help in the production of melatonin, which is essential for sleeping. They also release serotonin that helps you feel relaxed and reduces stress. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, leave a nice comment and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.
I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.